Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. Today we are starting the new playlist in our channel Friction for Beginners. So in this playlist we will discuss step by step what is friction, understanding the numerator and denominator, and identify proper with improper friction. And then we will discuss the how to add the fraction and simplify this fraction, and how to subtract the fraction and simplify this fraction. And further we will discuss when we will discuss the adding and subtracting fraction, then further we will move to multiplying and dividing the fraction, and at the last we will get the new question mixed number and improper fraction. So we will in this video just we will give the concept about adding and subtracting fraction, multiplying and dividing fraction, mixed number and improper fraction. Just give you just a question, some question about the fraction, and further we will discuss in our coming video. 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5, this example based on the adding fraction. Okay, and 2 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5, this example based on subtracting fraction. So how to solve we will discuss in our coming videos, how to solve. And this subtracting fraction, how to simplify this, we will discuss in our coming video. And this is the example based on dividing fraction. So how to divide we will discuss in our coming video. So join this playlist for most important for you. So join this playlist if you are new in a method, and what is improper fraction and what is proper fraction. So we will also discuss the what is improper fraction and what is the proper fraction. So when we will decide this fraction is improper and this fraction is improper. So first of all we know about the fraction, what is fraction, and also we will discuss by the figure concept of the fraction. If you are new, so join this playlist for boost your concept in fraction.